Xiaomi is moving aggressively, and this time, they're aiming straight at the global market. According to a Weibo tipster, Smart Pikachu, reservations for the Xiaomi 17 Ultra in China run from December 15th to 25th, with the official announcement scheduled for December 26th. But the bigger twist is the new global roadmap. Trusted tipster Abhishek Yadav now claims the Xiaomi 17 series, including the 17 Ultra, is gearing up for a global debut in January 2026, with India also getting it around the same time. And that move alone makes it clear Xiaomi wants to secure worldwide attention before Samsung even whispers the name Galaxy S26 Ultra. Fresh leaks have already shown the 17 Ultra in the wild, wrapped in a thick protective case, but still revealing the most controversial change. Xiaomi is switching from a quad camera layout to a triple camera setup. At first it sounds like a downgrade, but the company is shifting from more lenses to smarter lenses. And multiple leaked images confirm the signature circular camera module, returning in beige and black. Inside it, the camera specs look brutal. A 50-megapixel OmniVision OVX100500U main sensor, a 200-megapixel Samsung S5K HP telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel OV50M or Samsung S5K JN5 ultrawide. Even the selfie camera jumps to a 50-megapixel OV50M. Xiaomi is pairing this with its new Lo-Fi C low-light tech, dramatically improving dynamic range and night performance. Considering the Xiaomi 15 Ultra was already beating the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max in bright scene control, the 17 Ultra is shaping up to dominate low-light photography completely. The telephoto system is even more impressive. Xiaomi is adding a continuous optical zoom mechanism, the same next-gen tech Samsung has been experimenting with. Two models of the 17 Ultra are also expected, both sharing the same sensors, but with the higher variant bringing new revolutionary imaging features that insiders say haven't appeared on any smartphone before. Performance, as expected, is brutal. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite chip, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage. Meanwhile, the standard Xiaomi 17's global variant has already appeared on Geekbench under model number 25113PN0EC, running Android 16 with 12GB RAM and scoring 3,176 single-core and 10,010 multi-core, confirming Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite power globally as well. The global 17 model will feature a 6.3-inch LTPO-AMOLED 120Hz display, triple 50-megapixel cameras, a 50-megapixel selfie camera, and a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. For the Ultra, Xiaomi is increasing the display to a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED panel with 2K plus resolution and ultra-thin symmetrical bezels, slimmer than any iPhone, along with a rumored 6,000 to 7,000 mAh battery and 100-watt charging inside the HyperOS 3. Price is expected to start around 6,000 yuan in China. The full global launch, including India, is tipped for January 2026, right after the China release on December 26th.